Today, I'll be showing you how to make Bibim Guksu. This is a Korean dish of mixed noodles. It's a light, quick meal that's very popular in the summer, made with cold soba noodles, a spicy sauce, and fresh toppings. For 1 to 2 servings, here are the ingredients you'll need. About 100 grams of soba noodles, 2 sheets of roasted seaweed, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, a small piece of cucumber and radish, and 1 or 2 green onions. And for the sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, half a tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. First, we'll prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine the gochujang paste, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. Mix that together and set it aside for later. Next, it's time to cook the soba noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add the noodles, and let them cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once the noodles are done, drain them in a colander and rinse them well under cold water. Let them drain completely. For the toppings, simply crumble the roasted seaweed sheets with your hands and slice the cucumber and radish into strips. Now you're ready to serve. Put the cold noodles on a plate and pour the sauce over them. Garnish with the crumbled seaweed, toasted sesame seeds, green onions, and the strips of radish and cucumber. And your spicy Korean soba noodles are ready. Just be sure to mix everything together well before eating. Enjoy! Masitge deuseo.